Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kove MX 450, a motocross bike that's making waves for offering race-ready performance at a price that undercuts many big-name rivals. Let's see what this machine brings to the dirt. Design and build quality. The 2026 Kove MX 450 has a sharp, purposeful design that mirrors top-tier factory race bikes. With clean lines, slim bodywork, and aggressive styling, it looks built for competition. At about 220 pounds dry, it's lightweight and feels agile. The frame is engineered for durability without adding excess weight, and details like the titanium exhaust highlight its premium build. From plastics to ergonomics, the bike is designed to give riders a professional feel right out of the crate. Engine and performance. The MX 450 is powered by a 450 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine producing roughly 54 to 60 horsepower. That's a competitive output for the class. The 6-speed gearbox, borrowed from Kove's rally models, makes the bike versatile across different track layouts. Power comes on strong, with quick throttle response and plenty of top-end pull. While early testers mentioned the ECU mapping may need fine-tuning, the engine's raw strength and smooth delivery give riders confidence whether they're blasting out of corners or clearing long jumps. Suspension and handling. Suspension is one of the MX 450's standout features. It comes equipped with a KYB 43mm AOS fork up front and a Yuan rear shock. This combination is tuned for serious motocross riding, providing stability in rough terrain and precision in tight turns. The bike feels planted on landings yet agile when weaving through technical sections. Kove's decision to use proven suspension components ensures riders get consistent performance without aftermarket upgrades right away. Braking and control. Braking is sharp and predictable, with strong calipers offering confident stopping power. The lightweight build of the bike makes the brakes feel even more responsive. Control is further enhanced by a well-balanced chassis, slim seat design, and neutral riding position. These details give riders the ability to move freely and stay in control, especially during aggressive riding sessions. Price. Perhaps the biggest talking point is the price. With an expected MSRP between $7,699 and $7,999, the MX 450 significantly undercuts many established brands in the motocross segment. Riders get factory-level components and performance at a cost that makes the bike accessible to a much larger audience. Conclusion. The 2026 Kove MX 450 is a serious motocross contender. It combines lightweight design, powerful performance, premium suspension, and an unbeatable price. While ECU mapping improvements could make it even sharper, the overall package shows that Kove is here to compete with the biggest names in motocross. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Kove MX 450. Stay tuned to Motor Insight for more in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycle.